beautiful out and it feels nice. White chatterbait, 3/8 ounce, nice bass. I think this is the 4th one caught today, and there's something moving right there. Let's get a nice release. This one bit right at the bank. There we go.